Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to export a video on CapCut application or actually website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So when you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. For me, that will be actually my home or my main screen. But for you, if it's your first time, when you actually type CapCut.com, you will not find this my edit, and you will find here a screen with two options. Here you'll find at the left option of using the CapCut on a browser, and you'll find at the right the option of download. Of course, if you want to download or install it on your PC, you'll find a video on this channel on how to do that, so make sure to go and check it out. So of course you'll have at the top right corner also two options if you want to log in into your account or create your account if you don't have one. So once you log in into your account or created your account, then log into it, you will find this as your home screen. Here you will find your projects, and you can just click at blank canvas from here, and you will need to wait a bit until it loads, the page loads. So from here you'd like first of all to upload a file, maybe if you want to start working on. So let me just upload this as an example for you. Of course, like, let me just delete this, or source is not okay. It's fine. I was just going to upload another one. So let's say as an example you would like to upload this file and start editing on it. So just drag it here and start editing on it. Of course you can like click at the video and start editing like the audio or the speed of the video, or do whatever you want with your video. So once you actually finished, you will need to click at this export option if you want to actually export your video. So of course for me, as you can see, I cannot actually export it right now because it's actually loading because I changed the speed. But I'm just going to like hit the Control Z. So I'll just make a small save so I can actually export it fast. So maybe I'll add a small text as an example and make it like this for the whole video. And then as you can see, now we don't have load anymore, and I'm just going to click at export. Okay, it's been saved, so let's just wait a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes until it's saved correctly. So now as you can see, now I can actually export it. It just past 20 seconds. So of course you would like to change the file name if you want, the resolution. Then simply if you want to change some advanced setting, you can do that. Then simply just click at export and you will be exporting your videos successfully. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.